Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. I am Brian, this is my Fluid Art channel. I am going to do another piece where I do my entire canvas is going to be a swipe. So this was one of the smaller ones that I did a few weeks ago. And I like the composition, I like the way this looks, but I'm going to use some of my favorite colors, which would be my phthalo green and my phthalo blue. Love those two colors, and I'm going to use some more favorite other colors as well. So, but idea is to go a little bit bigger. I'm going smaller up to big. So that was a little 12 by 24. Today I'm working on a little 14 by 18, and hopefully I'm going to graduate up to even a larger canvas, eventually getting up to a 24 by 30 or even something larger. But what I want to do is I want the entire painting to be covered in cells using the cell activator. All right, so let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have got a cursed canvas. This is a 14 by 18. I painted on this bad boy twice and did not get good results. Scraped it, let it dry, and I'm coming back today. This is the final time. If this one doesn't come out, it's going to get yeeted into the backyard. The colors I'm using today is going to be the phthalo blue from Amsterdam, permanent blue violet from Amsterdam, metallic gold from Creative Inspirations, phthalo green from Soho, and greenish blue from Amsterdam. So what I'm going to do is just a chaos ribbon swipe and then spin. Just a little tiny canvas today. All right, and my base coat is my Artist Loft Soft Body White. Going to start off with my phthalo blue. And you really just want to ribbon pour these colors on in any direction that you feel is best for your composition, because it's all going to get swiped. So let's go this way. This is the permanent blue violet. I'll probably come back in with the color again. And I'm going to swipe. This is going to be one of those paintings where I swipe the entire canvas. So it's just going to be one canvas full of cells. That's the gold, and let's come in with the phthalo green. Greenish blue. Phthalo. Got to be careful with the gold. You don't want it to take over. There's a lot of phthalo green already in here too, so I'm going to be careful with this one as well. Next, I'm going to use my palette knife, and I'm just going to swipe through this using my white cell activator, which is Australian Floetrol and titanium white from Amsterdam. I'm just going to load up my palette knife here. Let this drain into the cup, letting you guys see this here, hopefully. Just let the excess come off. Just going to start here on my edge, press lightly, come right up through the painting, keeping the front of the blade up just a little bit. And then swipe that off of there. Let the cell activator do its magic. Now I'm going to just keep doing this whole area till the entire painting is done. Now this is one of those things, do I want to try to wreck this or do I leave it alone? I think I'm going to leave it alone. Do I want to swipe through that little piece though? Kind of like that idea of having just a huge painting with cells. I'm going to tilt this down just a touch, bring the weight back, so when I spin it, it'll spin evenly. All right, let's give it a go. JK, I'm going to put up my little mini board when I spin. All right. The only worry is there too much paint left on this canvas? Let's go back one way and then that's it. Gonna leave it right here on this the way it is. Love this, love this, love this. All right, I'm gonna take this off the spinner, clean up the edges, and then I'll bring you guys in. Okay guys, here we are with the wet results. So this is very much giving me some serious galaxy feel. I just love all the lacing. Look at the lacing and look at the white cells from that Artist Loft Soft Body White. Just giving me little pop-up pearls. Kind of cute, right? Look at that. That's really cool too. Okay guys, that is it for the piece. So I am super happy with it. This is exactly what I was going for. This soft body white definitely gave me those little pearl white cells everywhere. Not bad, I don't mind that. So this was a 14 by 18. I am going to go up. Next size is probably gonna be like a 20 by 24. I'm gonna keep growing using different color patterns till I get to a large canvas. That's my goal for this. I can't show you the dry results because I painted this Tuesday night and obviously today is Wednesday and the painting is not dry. So I do apologize, but I will show you the dried result in Sunday's video. All right, everyone. So thank you very much for watching today. I hope everybody's holiday season is starting off great. Mine is. It's very, very busy, but it's going great. So everyone have a great rest of the week and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.